Hey folks, how you doing today? Welcome to Bob's Bottom Shelf. What we do here is show you how to make quality cocktails at home using affordable ingredients from what I like to call the top of the bottom shelf. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and affordable gin cocktail, the Classic Negroni. So, it is said that this classic cocktail was invented in Florence, Italy in the early 20th century by Count Camillo Negroni. And what makes our cocktail quick is that it uses 3 ingredients. We have gin, Sweet Vermouth, and Campari. However, our version of the Negroni will use the more affordable Aperol to replace the Campari with. We can do this because both Campari and Aperol both have the same bitter flavor complex, except Aperol is a little less bitter and a little bit more sweet. And they're both made by the same company, so I'm sure that counts for something. The key to a good Negroni is finding a good pairing of gin and Sweet Vermouth to overpower the bitterness of the Campari, or in our case, the slightly less bitter Aperol. And to do this today, we're going to use the well-known top of the bottom shelf Gin Gordon's and Gallo Sweet Vermouth, which has a slightly fruity flavor complex. I mentioned Gallo in my other video about affordable liquors, which you can click in the corner if you haven't seen that video yet. And as I mentioned, we are not using the Campari today. This would cost you about $30. Instead, we are using Aperol, which would cost you about $22, and it's even a little bit easier to find. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with our Negroni cocktail. To start with, we're going to need 1 ounce of our Gordon's gin. Next thing we'll need is 1 ounce of our Aperol here. And we're going to need 1 ounce of our Gallo Sweet Vermouth here. Let's add a little bit of ice. We're gonna shake it up. I almost forgot we're supposed to do an orange peel garnish, but I only have the orange bitters today, so we're just gonna do a couple of dashes of that. Alright, Negroni, cheers. It's certainly an interesting flavor. I can taste the juniper berry from the gin, I can taste the slight bitterness from the Aperol, I can taste the sweetness from the Gallo. I can't say it would be one of my favorite cocktails, however, it only uses 3 ingredients, so maybe if you are hosting a party or if you have people over, 3 ingredient cocktails are certainly more easy to make than something that uses, I don't know, 5 or 7 ingredients. And the Negroni is a classic, so if you're up for trying the classics, you could certainly give it a try. Well folks, that's going to just about do it for today's episode. Let me know in the comments below what you think of Campari or Aperol and if you've ever tried them. And subscribe for more episodes of Bob's Bottom Shelf, where you save money making cocktails at home using affordable ingredients. See you in another episode.